Hey berries, it's Sherry the Berry here, and as you can see, I am doing a video on how I remove my facial hair, my unnecessary facial hair. I get it on my jawline, I get a mustache, I get a little beard going on. So I'm gonna show you the steps that I take to get rid of it. I'm just giving you a close-up of, how it looks. This is about 4 months worth of hair. I don't do it very often. What is that on my ear? I don't know. Let's keep moving on. But yeah, I'm going to show you the steps that I take to remove my facial hair. No razor, no burn, no scars, no waxing, none of that. So let's get into it. So the first step that I do is to wash my face. I like to use a very gentle wash, and the most gentle wash I know is Cetaphil. If you know, you know. If you don't, get on board. And then I like to do a detoxing mask. This mask is going to do an extra step of cleaning, so when I'm going to remove my hairs, I don't have any unnecessary dirt trying to come up. So it really makes sure that my skin is very clear and preps it for my hair removal. So let's do the steps. When I'm washing it with the Cetaphil, I make sure I am getting that neck and like under my chin area, because that's where I will be removing my hair. And of course, I am applying the mask on my chin and my neck area, because this is where hair is also at, unfortunately. So I want to make sure that that spot is, well cleaned. So my skin is nice and prepped, and now we are going to use Sally Hansen hair removal for the face. I've been using this for a minute. It says a fresh scent. No, don't let them lie to you. It's not a fresh scent. It's like a turd. Sorry, but it's like a turd. It's made with manuka honey and avocado oil, but it stinks. But it does come with the hair removal and a nice moisturizer. It also comes with instructions as well, but of course I'm going to use the remover first to get this started. I like to use a pretty thick layer, or to layer it on pretty thick. I believe that's what the instructions say. I haven't read the instructions in years, but it worked for me. And like I kind of go not in my nostrils, but like do the entry of my nostril, just so like no hairs can be like coming out. I'm showing you guys how much I am using on my finger, or putting on my finger to apply. Like I said, I don't like to see my skin through it. I like to have it pretty thick. As you can see, you're gonna see, how thick I like it before I wipe it off. To remove it, I have a warm, clean, damp towel. I'm gonna be using, or taking it off in swipes. I'm gonna use a little pressure just to make sure I'm getting everything in one swipe, so it won't be irritating my skin too much. And y'all probably can't see as much because the towel is green, but that hair on there is so much hair on that towel. But I'm gonna continue to like wipe in swipes. I'm giving y'all a close-up to see how that hair is gone, honey. The hair is gone. I only kept it on for 10 minutes. So I'm gonna just wipe, flip the towel over to get a clean spot, and then wipe again. Look at that mustache, y'all. Y'all can see it, but I'm telling y'all, it was on there. After removing, I washed my towel out about 3 or 4 times with antibacterial soap, and I made the towel super warm as I could take it, and I'm gonna just put it on the area that I just removed my skin. My skin is a little irritated, but when you remove hair from your skin, it's gonna get irritated just like with waxing or anything like that. So you may see my skin is a little red or inflamed, but that's fine. It does not burn, it doesn't hurt, it just looks like that. I'm just gonna just wipe it down, and that warm towel really helps, you know, soothe my skin. It's always that one piece of hair that seems to get left behind in the process. But anyway, if you feel a piece of hair like I did today, just get a clean razor and slightly, very gently remove it. You don't want to really irritate your skin. So now I'm going to be using the moisturizer. The moisturizer is really nice. Like, I don't even know what it's made with, but it soothes your skin and moisturizes your skin. You don't have any like weird flakiness, but it makes your skin super soft and it smells decent. So they went crazy with this moisturizer. And the hair is gone. I just gotta clean up my sideburns a little, but as far as my facial hair, it is gone. No more chin hair, no more beard, no more mustache, okay? And that's it. It only took about, let's say, 35 minutes, maybe 40 minutes the most to do all these steps. Make sure you have some clear, beautiful, soft, hairless skin. Thank you guys for watching. If you made it to the end of this video, you are the truest berry of the bunch. Thank you again for watching, and I will see me in my next video. Peace.